We had an amazing afternoon here, the Hot Springs Waterfall, when we are traveling in a rickshaw outside India.
Hola, Namaste.
This is Pubali.
This is Indranil and we are Paradise Catchers.
We are an Indian couple living in Costa Rica and we bring to you stories about traveling and digital nomad life in Latin America.
We had to change bus couple of times for trying to come from Santa Ana town.
We had to take a tuk-tuk as well.
From the
an auto
Atiquizaya,
rickshaw.
the closest town to this place.
An auto rickshaw in El Salvador. I think our first one in
Yes, in
Central America.
Yeah. When we are traveling in a rickshaw outside India.
Tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk.
Next to Guatemala City. It's a huge...
Hello.
I don't know where the hot springs is.
So we are at the Hot Springs Waterfall of El Salvador. It's near Santa Ana. You can make a trip from Santa Ana. We had so much fun here because you can do a lot of things here like cliff jumping or like jumping into the waterfall pool or swimming or relaxing in the hot springs. So we had a lot of fun and the waterfalls are beautiful. This guy jumped into the water by choice, not once, twice, but 3 times.
Actually 4 times.
4 times.
Beautiful warm water. It was wonderful warm water in a waterfall. Have not seen much. We have seen hot springs, volcanic hot springs, but this was waterfall but warm water. So it was nice to dive in. We had an amazing afternoon here at the Salto, the Hot Springs Waterfall. First, you will not imagine that this place can lead you to a river and a hot springs waterfall, but as you go down, you will know that what you're getting into. It is totally worth it. So if you are in Santa Ana or in Rutas de las Flores or in El Salvador, try to make it to this waterfall.